¿Está la mano?
Ahí está adentro.
Damn, is as low as yours? Oh, this was low.
That's how I was. I went back up.
Oh, you were lower?
Yeah, I was like that. But
Okay.
tú tienes angle kit, ¿no?
Sí, manejan esto.
Falta alinearla nomás, o ya la alineaste más o menos.
No, ahí está bien. Ahí puedo manejar bien.
Ahí la alineaste a puro.
Con eso tiene, no.
Sí. No, pues es buena, pero. So, ¿cuánto trae yo ahorita aquí?
Casi tiene, enfrente tiene como 6, casi.
6, 7,
8.
8. No raspa, no rosa.
No, ya le metí varias veces.
Ok.
Aquí sí
Sí,
pasa.
pero rosa el.
Pero no, le da la vuelta en todo el volante y no pega nada.
Para hacerle C-notch el crossmember, güey. ¿Sí lo sí haces ese pedo tú o no lo haces?
¿En dónde?
El crossmember de la transmisión, ¿no?
Para levantarlo.
Sí. En esta no.
En las otras.
Sí.
No, esta también trae. Esta nada más se corta, güey.
O corta
Se
si le
corta.
pones. O le pones otra mamada ahí o nomás. El mismo se corta. Porque eso
Pero se me hace que venden uno que es para eliminar este. Uno de tubo.
Ok.
Sí.
The race one.
Oh,
Sí.
el brace. Porque sí, a veces rozan, por eso digo. O sea, esta ponle que no está muy bajita, pero como la caps, esa madre, se me hace que es lo que pega.
Mira, güey, ¿dónde?
No, pues ahí quedó. Valor. Sácala para afuera, a ver What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to ONDGAS Show. We're back with another video, guys. And today, we're working on Cheddar Bob on the Arrancate Burning Out truck. That's what we're gonna call this one. It's a little long, though. It's a little long. But if you know, you know. That's old ass video on YouTube. And that was brought to you by the RGV guys. Big shout out to Leo.
Arrancate Burning Out.
It's actually, he's the one that actually recorded, and there was Pee-wee's truck, La Chicken, and there was another black SS clone. There, I don't know, I don't think it had the SS clone body kit, it just had the front bumper and the rump pan in the back. But that was one of the videos that kind of like started everything, and we are building something in regards to that. Now this is not a step side, like I said, the step side's bed break real easily. I want to keep it straight bitches because this is going to be another burnout truck with the LSA supercharger. Arrancate Burning Out truck, this is it right here. And right now the other set of SS wheels are done on powder coat. So right now we're going to be taking this truck over there, putting the white SS wheels, and hopefully it looks good. Now we have a bigger tire on the other wheels. I think I want to use this tire on the white wheels because this is a better, I like the thinness on the tire. It is a 295/25. The other ones are 295/30, so they're a little bit thicker. This is a little bit thinner, so I think it looks better with the 25 series tire. But overall, my boy Chewy dropped it 6'8", I think he said it was, and it looks pretty good, and it doesn't rub or nothing. So the question here is, are we gonna do an SS bumper?
I think you got to.
We have to, right?
Yeah.
We have to do an SS bumper, all white. We got to do the line blue all the way here, and then the roof is gonna be blue too, and then maybe the ducts blue.
Blue ducts?
Yeah. What you think? Different.
Be different. Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be something different. Churro, algo para.
A lot of people like how it sounds.
It sounds like an NA truck. It sounds like an all motor truck, but it ain't. It's supercharged. ¿Mira bien? Hay que dar ahí también, güey, se mira mejor. Sí, porque le faltaba un poquito más de piso. Si tenemos problemas con ese pedo que el barro está rozando, pues te lo traigo para que me le cartes el de este. Como quiera, déjale, llego. Ahorita te mando dinero por el dedo, por el cash. Ahí, dime cuánto es. Is low as fuck. It's scraping everywhere. Se me hace que se bajó más. Now that I'm driving it, how's it look? Does it look kind of like yours?
That's how I was.
That's how low you were.
But I didn't know I was that low. Porque dijo que 7.
7, 8.
Oh, shit, yeah.
¿Qué onda, verga?
¿Qué onda, güey?
Oye, güey, tú te mueves de locaciones como que si cambiaras calzón a la verga, ¿no? No, calma.
16 años tuve ya, güey.
No, ya que, te cambiaste algo más diferente, más chiquito.
Y tienes que hacer parches, güey.
Ok.
Ni plugs. No vengas a comprar plugs, güey.
Sí. Aquí mi compa Juanito es una verga para poner llantas a mano y todo el pedo, ¿ah? Y sí, a mano. Especialmente rim Beller así grande y, muchas veces no le quieres meter la máquina para no, rayar y la madre, estos vatos están perros para lo que hacen. Dejamos aquí unos rines que van a ser blancos, ¿verdad?
No van a ser. Ya son blancos.
Son blancos, son blancos. Pero vamos a poner esta madre, güey, pero ocupo esa llanta en ese rin. ¿Sí me entiendes?
Sí.
Porque la otra llanta está muy gruesa. Esta es 30 y esta es 25. Voy a ocupar otro set de 25 para que me lo arreglen. Ok.
Oh, shoot.
Y las tapitas las pintaron blancas, ¿verdad? Sí. Sí, a huevo.
Oh, damn.
Estamos haciendo unos experimentos a ver qué tal se mira. ¿Me entiendes? Eso es algo diferente. ¿Va?
Eso es sucio, nada más de polvo, es polvo, pero
Sí. Ahora no puedo por churro.
We just dropped them off.
Ah, sí, para la tapita.
¿Cuánto duraron? ¿No tanto?
Ayer empezamos a ir. Nada más que la tapa de plástico no la puedo meter al horno, güey.
No, ya sé, eso va pintada diferente. That's what I wanted, white wheels. And then we'll throw like some SS or something brush right here.
Oh, it's just paper.
Or it's just paper in blue. Yeah.
Came out pretty good.
Sí, salieron bien. Oye, güey, ocupo una llanta 295, 25, 28, la más ancha que haya. ¿Cuál es?
La más ancha es la Duron, pero no hay ahorita disponibles. Ya se sigue la Q, güey. Fuimos a la... ¿No te gustaba?
Es que yo tengo un ring, de Cheddar Bob. Tengo 28 por 12 y trae, no sé qué marca es, además que es Full, güey, o Lexani, y está bien estirada.
Ese es Rexani.
Ok. La Duron ya no hay.
No había ahorita disponibles. Hay una 28 ayer. Esta me la baja. Esta de la media esquina, güey.
Esta.
Pero ya no son tan anchas.
Esta ya no es tan ancha.
No es tan ancha. Esa que está al lado, esa es una Wanley. Esa también suele ser ancha. Bastante ancha. Pero tampoco hay ahorita. Bueno, no la estuve buscando para hacer el par y no la encontré.
Sí, se mira mucho el lip.
Sí.
Se mira bien culero.
La Duron la que tiene mejor.
O sea, te encargo, ¿ocupas otra de esas? O esa no es la que está ancha, esa no es la Duron. Esa es la Duron, ¿no?
La podemos calar si es en el ring, pegarlo si es mañana, porque checo. No, esa no es Duron, es otra marca.
¿Está ancha o no? No, necesito que no podemos andar calando porque esas madres son forjado, güey.
O mira, de aquí veo la diferencia de cada de una de otra. No, ya arriba.
No, sí, la estoy viendo.
Ah, es que te agachas para la capa.
No, sí, para ver. No, sí está más ancha la de este lado.
Poquillo.
Vamos a tratar de, no tengo prisa por esos llantos, pero cuando vamos a tratar de agarrar las Duron.
Ahí la mañana y montamos para ver cómo se viene eso.
Ok. Pues no será mañana, será como el lunes, porque tengo que, como el carro ya está hecho y está metido todo el ring y tiene coilover, necesito desganchar los coilovers, bajar toda la suspensión para que pueda sacar el ring porque el tren está chucking.
El martes mejor.
Sí, el martes. Bueno, pues, ¿qué? ¿Sacamos esta madre para meterla otro qué?
Sí, estamos a
Voy afuera, ¿te quieres aventar la misión?
No, qué chingados. Si ya ni me la quería aventar tampoco, güey.
No, yo sé, pero these were the guys. Well, I don't want to talk about another OG that I'm getting, but yeah, I might want to stay tuned because I got a couple of trucks that are coming from out of town that I had purchased about a year ago, and you guys are finally gonna check them out. If you've been active on the social medias, you know what I'm talking about. This is a badass wheel, Costa.
Yeah.
Especially on the 6 lug, 6-4, I like it. This goes good on SS, on Super Sports.
You had a giveaway.
I had a giveaway, which is this is your inspiration.
Yeah, that one.
So if Sassy, I don't think Sassy has a picture, so make sure.
I got the video.
You got the video?
Yeah.
I don't know if y'all seen the 61, but that bitch is coming out nice.
guy does updates like on
Every day, my boy, every day. I don't even have to call this guy. This guy's just doing shit. He calls me, hey, send me more money. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, I need more money. Boom. I don't have to worry about that. I like this guy right here. Big shout out to my boy Pablo. He's done with that. They're doing the sound system in Fort Worth or Dallas, I'm not too sure. And we're gonna give you guys an update on the Lolo here pretty soon in the next couple of weeks. ¿Qué pasó, okay?
No. Tocar a costa.
¿Necesitas ayuda o qué?
Ooh, man, that's a lot of weight. But it looks good though, right? I think we're missing like the bumper. The bumper needs to be white. The hood needs to be blue already. I don't know what we're gonna do on the top part of the bed to go white, or maybe do the wing. I don't know, but it does look different and it does look cool. Hit everybody with some cinematics. Let's go.
Está cocho.
Ordéname las llantas,
Simón.
¿Se abrieron los cutouts o qué? That bitch got way louder. Ah, se me hace que sí se zafó. Se zafó la pipa a este lado.
Oh, so I gotta go to exhaust.
Yeah.
Somebody jinxed you.
About what?
Comments, they're like, we haven't seen the exhaust video.
The dude right now at the light, he was like, hey, can you turn it down a little bit? It's too loud. I was like, this is it. Fuck. Okay, so we got a collector. Not a collector, but we got like a flange on the header to the pipe, and I think it came off, and that's why it's really loud. But it does good burnouts, right? I mean, I really do.
Good.
Yeah. All right, let me put it up before you get in trouble. All right, guys, well, there it is. Cheddar Bob, aka La Pee-wee, is looking a little bit better now that we got white wheels on the motherfucker. So today was actually a pretty good day. Got that done. Got new tires for the rear. Any update on the transmission, Uncle?
It's ready. I just gotta go pick it up.
Okay.
But it's a little too late, so
it is a little too
we're
late.
gonna get another day.
So probably what, like Monday or Tuesday?
Yes.
I know it's like a holiday going on this weekend and stuff like that. Probably by the time you see this video, guys, it's gonna be Sunday. So happy Easter Sunday to everybody. Today is Friday for us, so we're probably not gonna record anything. This is gonna be a video for Sunday. So happy Easter to everybody. I hope you have a good time with the fam and everything. And we're pretty much done here. Remember, guys, if you haven't got your stuff on the mail yet on the TRX giveaway, it is coming. We are a little bit backed up on the merch side, but we are trying to get shirts and everything printed so we can get it to you guys. Now remember, the moment that you press pay, you're automatically in the system. You do not have to have your items in hand. As soon as you press pay, order completed, you won't get any notification until it's ready to ship. Once it's ready to ship and it's in the mail from here to your house, that's when you're gonna get a notification that the stuff is going your way. So sometimes a lot of you guys order something and y'all want an email right away. Well, we don't send an email until the item is being shipped to your house. So if you haven't got your items, be patient, guys. It is coming. If you have any questions questions, sales@onthegas.com. That's the email to hit up. If you're gonna send an email, send the email with your order number. It starts with ODG and then whatever, what is it, like a 6-7 number?
Like a, yeah, 5 to 6 digit number.
I think it's like a 6 or 7, 6-digit number, 6 or 7-digit number, but it starts with ODG. So send that number in the email and let us know what is the problem. We can probably fix it. Also, guys, before you order something from us, make sure your address, your phone number, and all that is correct. Make sure the size of shirt is correct. Make sure your address, everything, apartment number, house number, zip code, everything, because we usually get thousands of messages and emails talking about like, oh, well, I ordered it, I forgot to put my number. Oh, I placed the order, but I forgot, I got the wrong size. So before you check out, make sure you got your address completed, your name, your phone number, and the size of shirt that you wear. Sometimes you guys get too excited, don't even look at the item that it's small and you need a 2X, and that's when you gotta send us an email and then we gotta go back and forth and stuff like that. Sometimes it's already shipped and then, well, that's already kind of messed up because then we gotta get a returning label and then we gotta send you the correct one and stuff like that. We will do it. I'm not complaining about that, but just make sure next time, guys, you have all the information in the system before you proceed to checkout. With that being said, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy Easter to everybody.